Welcome to the Sparkle Gold Mines. Sparkle Gold Mines is a wholly owned subsidiary of DD Group. Sparkle Gold Mines is incorporated under the Companies Act 1956 in India, and that the company is private limited. Highly potential Agaz mine gold deposits large in Sparkle Gold Mines explored an area of 1 square kilometer, 200 had a under reconnaissance permit, resulting in the discovery of several significant gold prospects. Sparkle Gold Mines has also signed MOU with the government of Niger on 30th of September 2021 at Agadez, Niger. The state government through a geo-approved. Sparkle Gold Mines commissioned Applied Geology and Mining at South African Mining Consultancy Organization to independently assist with geology, geophysics and mining assessment, interpretation and planning for the Agadez mine gold deposit located in then northern Niger in the Tuareg territory of Agadez, Niger. Accordingly, Applied Geology and Mining produced an updated mineral resource statement in accordance with the Australian Code for Reporting Exploration Results known as the JORC Standard. AGM has estimated gold grades of between 20 Gt and 40 G within the quartz veins. The current waste rock from artisanal mining is approximately 250,000 tons, containing an estimated 8.8 million Aus. The study indicated that the Agaz gold deposit is open-pittable. The project has been found to be economically viable. District and state is Tapalodi Agaz, Niger longitude between 9dig 4214, 9dig 4254, E and latitude between 17dig 3010, 17dig 3038 and current sampling of the gold halo at the contact between the quartz and country rock has returned values between 1I and 8.7 depth. The resource is estimated at a depth of 3.5 meters. Now introduce Company Chief Managing Director Mr. Prakash Sharma, Self-Visit Mines in Niger and Gold Sand, testing with ore operational work at September 2021. The path being shown goes towards the Tabold and is filled with many rocks. The road is approximately 200 kilometers away from Agadez, and public transportation can also be used in this connection. The Nigerian government has provided high security weapons and security guards for us. They stand by us for 24-hour security. After reaching the mine, we first started from the surface area, where we set up the mine field column, and the day temperature at the mine area became 45 degrees, while the night temperature became 10 degrees. The work was very difficult. All problems were carefully resolved. In the beginning, we first drilled a borehole to address the water issue, and the depth of the borehole remained at 1,700 feet, providing a clean and potable water source. We feel fortunate to have such a source on our own. In the beginning, we produced 50,000 bricks and blocks using a cement and sand mixture to construct the machine surface area, labor room, medical room, and office along with the machine store. The aim was to set up essential infrastructure for the mining operation. The work on the foundations of the labor room, medical room, and office, along with the machine store, was done with great enthusiasm and effort. We commend the Sparkle team for their hard work on all the tasks. Of the machine setup on the mine. We imported the stone water crushing machine, and you can see the live setup of it. In a relatively short time, we installed the stone water crushing machine using heavy cranes. The weight of a stone water crushing machine is 7.5 tons, and its wheel weighs 2.5 tons. This wheel rotates water along with the machine, crushing 20 to 40 stones into 0.5 mm stone powder. Stone water crushing machine setup almost complete. Constructing houses in areas with mining activities involves unique challenges and considerations. The proximity to mining operations requires careful planning to ensure the safety and well-being of residents. Fitting the stone crushing machine, where the stone feeding size ranges from 18 inches to 20. The iron plate size is 24 to 36 inches, and the capacity is 50 tons per hour. It is a very heavy machine. The machine requires low maintenance and has a motor capacity of 68 horsepower. This process is called the wet pan mill process, in which crushed stones with a size ranging from 1 mm to 5 mm are placed in it and then rotated with water. The work at the mine has been initiated with great vigor. Extracting gold stones using large machines. Excavators are removing stones 24 hours a day, which are then loaded into large dumpers. Approximately 50 meters below the surface of the mine, excavators are extracting stones, and a well-planned route is being constructed for the descent machines. A dumper filled with stones is brought to the crusher area, and the crusher machine reduces the stones to a size ranging from 2 to 4 mm to transform these stone sizes into powder form. They are crushed in the stone water crusher machine. All these processes are monitored under the supervision of the company's chief managing director from the beginning, as determining the water level and the amount of stone to be crushed in the water crusher machine is a crucial task. The water used is also sourced from Poon Recycling. Sharing this news fills us with great joy as Sparkle Gold Mines. Phase first is now standing, and the mine plant is extracting gold in substantial quantities, working around the clock. The company has successfully set up the gold plant in an area where even thinking about it seems challenging. The water crusher machine brings the stone into powder form, initiating the process of extracting mercury ahead. Mercury is taken out very carefully through a water crusher machine. This process separates the gold-mercury mixture from other minerals in the ore. This separation can be achieved through various methods, such as using water to wash away lighter substances, leaving behind a heavier mixture, etc. Mercury is brought into contact with the mixture, and then certain inappropriate ore present in the mercury separated by immersing it in clean water. Collecting mercury from water can be a complex and potentially dangerous process, as mercury is a poisonous substance. The following steps show a common method of collecting mercury from water. Under the supervision of experts, the condensed mercury is collected and further processed. mercury is heated in a furnace, often with the addition of flux to facilitate the removal of impurities. Due to the higher temperatures, the gold melts, separating from the other components of the ore. As a result of the elevated temperatures, the molten gold is separated from other elements in the ore. The temperature at which gold melts is 1064 degrees Celsius, 1947 degrees Fahrenheit. This is known as the melting point of gold. It seems like you're describing a scenario where a significant amount of gold, 75 kilograms, was recovered during the testing phase within 3 months. Subsequently, the recovered gold, under full government security, was transported to the company headquarters. The company then exported the gold for refining to the Emirates refinery in Dubai. Chief Managing Director of the company, Mr. Om Prakash Sharma, congratulated everyone in the mines for this commendable work. Sparkle Gold Mine 75 first phase of the mines has been completed. The mines are under full security guard from the Niger government, workers and team getting good meal, good and clean water supply. Team workers happy with the work. Permanent houses have been built at EU. Weather is good and all work is going smoothly. Sparkle Gold Mine's next future plan: recover 6 kilogram gold per day. Sparkle Gold open pit mining and veins method. The Sparkle Gold Mine's underground gold mine is located in Niger, Emai Saigavix, extension of the gold ore body from 1075 meters below surface. The Sparkle mine will produce in excess of 8.8 million ounces of gold via open pit and underground mining since its discovery in 2021. As we go deeper below 200 feet. Gold mineralization occurs as a variety of N echelons deposited parallel to moderately east-dipping foliation within strongly potassic altered mafic rocks and with a strike length of approximately 500 ma and a vertical depth of at least 2,000 mr. Are spread deeply. A number of mines will be identified and the mine names and geometry will be summarized. Further details on the geology and estimation techniques will be found in the Sparkle Gold Mines Mineral Resource Report. Inside the mines, there is a large deposit of gold in the shape of gold rocks which is yet to be extracted. We are very lucky in further process for processed gold. Source definition drill over around 1,500 drill holes. The delayed extraction of the wedge serves to reduce the hanging wall dip length in the primary stopes and thus preserve howe stability despite the 40 vertical lift. The installation of howe W cables and the use of a concurrent strike-retreat blasting sequence of the also assist in controlling stability. 2.8 million units approximately in geographically survey. Deep drilling from surface. Double lifting vertical interval. However, single lift stopping 20 m vertical interval is used in some areas. The double lift stopping method involves concurrently mining the up-hole and down-hole sections of the stope. The upper and lower portions of the stope are drawn back and bogged at the same time. Inspectionation also required. All costs used in the generation of the reserves have been based on the life of mines plan operating. Costs are estimated as part of the internal budgeting process and approved by the Sparkle Gold Mines. Gold price of $1,250 has been used in all calculations. Thanks for watching Sparkle Gold Mines.